Have you ever wondered how the affiliate business system can help you make money? Well, sit back and buckle up, because we're about to delve into the world of affiliate marketing. The affiliate business system, or ABS, is more than just an affiliate program. It's a comprehensive platform designed to help entrepreneurs monetize their online presence with ease and efficiency. The beauty of ABS lies in its complete package. It provides you with all the tools and resources you need to kickstart and grow a successful online business. Training, support, and a user-friendly platform are all part of the deal. But don't just take our word for it. The proof of the pudding is in the eating, right? Well, ABS has received a wealth of positive reviews. Entrepreneurs around the globe are raving about the simplicity, effectiveness, and the results they've achieved using ABS. Take John, for example. John is a seasoned internet marketer who was in search of a comprehensive affiliate marketing platform. After trying out ABS, he says, "I'm amazed at the simplicity of this system. It's user-friendly and the support is incredible. My online business has never been better." And then there's Sarah, a beginner who was looking for a way to monetize her blog. She says, "ABS is a godsend. The training is top-notch and I started making money within weeks." So, intrigued? If you're eager to dip your toes into the world of affiliate marketing, here's how to get started. First, do your homework. Read ABS reviews, understand the system, and get a feel for what to expect. Next, sign up for ABS. It's a simple process that requires only basic details to create your account. Once you're in, you'll have access to a treasure trove of tools and resources. Now, it's time to start learning. Dive into the training, explore the platform, and prepare to make your mark in the online business world. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So why wait? Check out the affiliate business system today and embark on your journey to success. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button for more insights and updates. This is your opportunity of a lifetime. Grab it with both hands.